Good morning to everyone. Welcome to AIT concept video. And my name is CH Nikhil. I am from CSIT branch and my roll number is 32. Today we are going to discuss about do while loop in C programming. Do while loop. The do while loop statement in C. The syntax of the do while statement in C. Do statement while the loop repetition condition. The statement is first executed. If the loop repetition condition is satisfied, the statement is repeated, else the repetition of the loop is stopped. The syntax of the do while loop, and this shows the syntax how to write the do while loop in programming. First we have to write do and open the bracket, and we have to write the body of the loop, and we have to close the bracket. And in next step while, and we need to write in the bracket test expression, and we need to keep semicolon, and this is the syntax of the do while loop. How do while loop works? The body of the do while loop is executed once, only then the test expression is evaluated. If test expression is true, the body of the loop is executed again and the test expression is evaluated once more. This process goes on until test expression becomes false. If the test expression is false, the loop ends. This do while loop works when the test expression in the while loop is true and it executes or iterates again and again until the test expression become false. If this process go on, test expression become false. So if the test expression is false, then the loop ends. That means it not iterates once more. In this way the do while loop works. The do while statement. Here is the syntax of the do while. Do, and we have to write action while expression. Semantics. Execute action. If expression is true, then execute action again and again. Repeat this process until expression evaluates to false. Action is either a single statement or a group of statements with curly braces, within curly braces. So in do while statement, we are in the place of action, we have to write we can write a single statement or a group of statement inside the curly braces. So here is the flowchart of the do while statement. Here if the action is true, it iterates again and again, or it prints again and again. If the expression is false, the loop here the loop ends. Logic of a do while loop. First we have to write a test expression. So if that statement is true, then the loop will execute again and again. If the condition is evaluated false, then the loop ends. That means it not iterates anymore. And this is the logic of the do while loop. And basics of the do while loop. First we have to write do and open the curly braces, and we have to write a single statement. We can write a single statement or multiple statements within the braces, within the curly braces, and we have to write while and in the brackets condition or test expression. If the test expression becomes true, then it iterates. If the test expression becomes false, then the loop ends. Diagrammatic view. Here is the initialize, how the do while loop works. Initialize statement 1, statement 2, and until how many statements you can write. So if the condition is true, then it iterates. If the conditions become false, then the loop ends. Here is the example for a do while loop. Program to add numbers. Here is the program. First we have to write a header file hash include stdio.h. Then we have to declare the main and double number and sum equals to 0. Then we have to right now do while statements. Here we can see that here the curly braces are open. Here two statements are written: printf enter a number and scanf and number sum plus equals to number. Here the condition while test expression given that number is not equals to 0.00. If this statement becomes true, then here we return that printf sum equals to percentile 0.21f 2lf sum. So if in the while statement the condition will become true, then the statement will be printed. So now we can see the output of this program. Here enter a number, we entered a number, we entered a 4 numbers and we got the sum of the numbers is 4.70. Here we have used a do while loop to prompt the user to enter a number. The loop works as long as the input number is not 0. So until we enter a 0, the loop iterates the same statement again and again. So until we enter a 0, we can enter the numbers until we enter a 0, so that after when we enter a 0, the loop stops here, so that we can find the output the sum of the all numbers until the 0. In this way the do while statement, do while loop works. So if without using a do while loop, we can't enter how many numbers and we can't find the sum. We can find, but it is very difficult to find that. So we use do while loop, so it becomes very easy. So it becomes very easy to find sum of the numbers. So this is the working of the do while loop. Thank you.